Hi.
And welcome to Fun 3 Kids! And today we're going to be checking out this rock climber monster remote control truck.
So this is the big truck. There are 4 tires, rubber tires, 4 suspensions, 1 on each side, 2 motors, 1 in the front to control the front tires, and 1 in the back to control the back tires. And there's a rod in the middle here to suspend. You see how I turn the wheel, how it suspends. And it's a big truck. See how it suspends?
So we have a remote control like this, and right now there's no steering wheel because you have to put this in. You get to put it on either side of your leg, like left or right. So
Why don't you go ahead and snap that on?
Right and left. Left. I'm driving my truck.
And they came with 2 packs of batteries. And to charge these batteries, you have this, and you plug it into this.
So we're at Skatepark, and now we're gonna test out these. I'm gonna try going up the ramp. 3, 2. 3, 2, race!
Oh, you're flip.
Slider race. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go!
So we're going to test out to see if the rock climber monster can pull the tumblebee. So we're going to have a race between the tumblebee and the RC rock climber monster. So we're going to see who's going to go faster. The starting line is right here. Going to go all the way up to the fire hydrant over there. Okay?
Mine can barely control itself. How is it possible?
Let's try. Ready? Set.